Hi guys, we're at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam. This is the alarm that I like. Down, down. There we go.
On Tuesday the 16th of August 26th, this is for our 15:44, slightly delayed 15:44, 4 Zulu 33, Great British Rail Freight Service.
Look, it's still wobbling. Like it's like.
Yeah, it's quite. Look, it's all mouldy there. Look under there, it's all mouldy.
No, don't pick it, because then this will.
Mouldy here. Don't.
It actually just clips down when you like barely even touch it.
This is rainbow reflect.
Joe, this is all stuff, but then this is all plastic.
Yeah, I know.
Ralston's thingy's still closed, do they? Look there. That barrier arm is bent there. Look, can you tell? Just slightly.
Look.
Yeah. Look, can you see that side's miles off, but then it's like it's bent, so it's on the floor now.
Last time, what did that barrier do?
And just slammed on the floor. This barrier arm's not
that
bent.
piece of skirt over there.
Oh yeah, it swung out too far because the barrier was going too fast. What I'm thinking is that they get like the tension cords. You know what they have on SPX, which is the kind of cord that supports it. Because that barrier is slightly bent. Didn't you put your iPod in here somewhere?
In there. I linked it up against that there. Look, I'll show you when after the closure.
Your voice cracked.
I'm sorry.
I'll show you after the closure. No, I wasn't making fun of you. I like that alarm, but you never film on it, so I don't actually know what it sounds like. Also, you guys, in Staithorpe barriers and American barriers, because they have motors in them, there is actually a speed controller inside of each of the barrier. But it's not like that in SPX and all that, because SPX has a special fluid. Wow, it should all be stuck to the ground, but it's not. I can't believe that this fence is taller than me. That is ridiculous. Just for one barrier. They don't even need this fence here. Like, I don't know why they keep this fence. It's not necessary, is it?
What fence?
This.
Oh, it's protecting the people from touching the stuff.
Well,
imagine this, like, look at this thing in like if a kid hadn't stand somewhere here, then the barrier would push it down, wouldn't it? It's to protect the weights going on.
well, it's not like that on SPX crossings.
This train must be going quite slow because it's usually here by now.
I mean, I know it's been 3 minutes.
It'll be quite one here if we get the tracks.
No. Ooh. These barriers have been in 2 years now, this whole crossing. Joe?
Well over 2 years.
Joe, have you noticed this barrier light here's bent? Look, Joe, this barrier light here's bent.
Yeah. You can hear it.
Yeah. It's probably because of all this impact.
Quite slow.
Look at this, Joe. It's a bit like a Staithorpe barrier with all the brackets, isn't it? Except from the brackets on a Staithorpe one are on the inside of the barrier arm.
Adam's with me for 3 nights.
Yeah, Tuesday till Thursday.
Friday.
No, Friday, sorry. Yeah, that's what Blakedown's like. It's got all that dirt on the barriers.
Why is this going so slow?
Because there might be something up the line that slowed it down. It's a 66. Yeah. It's the Freightliner.
I'll have to get a socket coming towards us. We'll go to Scotwick after this if you want.
What, after this closure?
Because nothing else due for another 40 minutes after this.
Well, I want to do an intro.
Okay.
You did a very old tour, but you forgot to show the Oda alarms.
Did I?
Yeah. You forgot to show one of them.
We have.
66.
Thank you. 66,758.
66,758.
that way, that probably won't take 10 minutes to get to Lincoln. It'll probably take about 15, 20 minutes. Up
Up they go. The barrier motor sounds weird, doesn't it?
Always has something like that.
This should be a lot tighter. Thanks guys, see you next video.